Hello, everybody. My name is Tina, and I am the founder of homeschoolingoils.com. I am an education consultant and a health and wellness coach. And today I have a special treat for you. I am going to have a duel with my daughter Tajay. Tell everybody hello.
Hello.
Alrighty, and if you are watching the replay of this video, please put hashtag replay and let me know. Give me a shout out where you're speaking to me from so I can connect with you. Now, I see somebody just clicked on. Hi, how you doing? My camera is very far away, so I can't tell you, I can't see if you commented. But remember to like, give me some hearts, do some shares. Well, today I am going to just share with you guys on how you can stretch your essential oils. If you already have essential oils, I'm going to show you how you can get more bang for your buck, because you know I'm about saving some money. So today, my daughter and I is going to demonstrate how easy it is for you to make your own roller bottles with essential oils. And right now, we're trying to prepare for the upcoming nasty little icky season that's going to be coming up soon. And you know what I'm talking about. So we're going to be making some roller bottles that help support our immunity. We're going to be making roller bottles to help with our skin. We're going to be making roller bottles that also supports our face, well, skin and sleep, easing our muscles. We're going to do a whole lot of stuff, even helping us breathe easier. But I'm not going to show you all of that on this video. I'm just going to show you a little quick how you can actually do this with you and your kids, whether they're young or older. So my mom is in the background. She refused to get on camera, y'all. Tell the people hello, mama.
Hello, y'all.
See, she even more country than me, ain't she? Nah, that's our country twang. You got to love it. You have to love it. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you. Tajay, what is your favorite oil?
My favorite oils are Immune Power, Fennel, and Thieves.
Now, why do you like Thieves?
Because it kills germs.
Well, yeah, and it boosts the immunity. So, in order for us to stay above the wellness line, we're gonna make this quick little recipe. Super duper simple. You can go buy these from the roller bottles from Amazon, and it comes already together with the roller. Let me see, can I come up to the camera so you can see? The only thing that you do is take the top and pop it back, and you can take the top off. And so that's what we're gonna do. It comes with a funnel. Oh, Jabari said hello, Tata. He said, hey, Tata.
Hey.
Jabari. Okay, and so, first of all, I want to start off with talking about carrier oils. If you know anybody that does essential oils, you know we always say carrier oils. For many people who don't know about carrier oils, you're probably saying, what in the world are those people talking about carrier oils? Well, today, for demonstration purposes, I want to show you guys what carrier oils are. Basically, a carrier oil is just an oil that helps evenly distribute the essential oil on an even part of your body. So here are some examples of carrier oils. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and I use my Young Living Relief. This really helped with soothing the muscles. And Ultra Ease, which also help with soothing. And I also have coconut oil, and this is the unrefined cold press. So if you have something like this that is a solid, you will have to melt this down first. Hello, Nicole. You will have to melt this down first in order to use it, but I don't really like doing all that all the time. Now, unless I'm making like a rubbing, something to rub, like a paste to kind of rub on me, I use this. But when I'm making roller bottles, I like to use the fractionated coconut oil, which is already melted down for me, and I won't have to go through that process. And then we also have grapeseed oil. So you can pick whatever carrier oil you need, but it's a good thing to know more about what a carrier oil does. Like coconut oil has like natural properties in it, in which it helps enhance or boost the immunity as well because of the properties. And if you notice that you way below the wellness line and you need like something to deeply penetrate you even more, you can use jojoba oil. The reason why I particularly like jojoba oil for those moments when I feel like that is because the molecules or the way that jojoba oil is broken down versus the way coconut oil is broken down, jojoba oil has a smaller molecule fraction, which means it's smaller, so it can get deeper down into the skin than coconut oil can. So if you notice that you're really below the wellness line, you can do a blend of both in one bottle with your essential oil, or you can just use jojoba oil. It's up to you. And jojoba oil is great for the skin as well and hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you show you guys what Tajay demonstrated. We're gonna make a couple roller balls so you can see how it's done and how simple it is. I am not a DIY person, so if I can do it, you can do it too. It doesn't take a lot of time. So, Tajay, what carrier oil would you like to use with your immune boosters?
I want to do...
Which essential oil first? You want to do?
Thieves.
Okay, Tajay want to work with Thieves first. And what carrier oil you would like to use with it?
Grapeseed oil.
Okay, Tajay want to use grapeseed oil with hers. Now, I'm going to make me a Thieves roller bottle because this is going to be her personal one. We make our own stuff. So that's going to be hers, and only for her. She can carry it in her bag or whatever. I'm going to make me some Thieves. Well, she working with the Thieves now. But when I make mine, I'm going to use jojoba oil because I need to go deep down for me. Okay, so first of all, what you do, you can do either oil first, but I like to start off with my essential oil first and then add my carrier oil. Some people like to do the opposite, but I just like to do it so I can have a better gauge how many drops I'm putting in it. And you can use 10 to 15 drops. This is like a 4-ounce bottle, if I'm not mistaken. 4 or 10. No, not ounce, milliliter. I'm sorry. Okay, so Tajay, first, you're going to take your essential oil and you have a steady hand. So,
how many drops?
You want a super one or you want a little one?
A little one.
10 drops.
Okay.
Make sure to count it. Is it dropping? Okay, she had her 10 drops. Her preference for carrier oil is grapeseed oil. So Tajay is going to have to use the funnel so that it won't go everywhere. And so you go ahead and put your carrier oil in there. You can fill it up how high you want to fill it up. And so you have to like fill a little bit, like you see how she's doing? She's not just doing it all at one time. She fill a little bit up and then she wait and see how much it fills up. She don't like to make hers all the way to the tip top. I do. That's just me. But this is hers, so she keep her own wellness above the line. And my son, he does his too. So now she puts the top on, snap it down.
You're a little natural.
Yep, and put the top on it. And the next step would just be, here you can wipe it off, wipe the oil off, and then shake it up. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now next, you're gonna put like one of these little labels on it because you want to make sure that you know what it is. Me, I know the oil so well now that I can smell it and know exactly what's in it. I mean, even if someone put multiple oils in, I'm using the oil so much now, I know. But for a person who don't know a lot about the oils, you can use your labels. With my kids, I make sure that they label their stuff just because so they will know what they're doing and what they're using at that particular time. But now my daughter also, she knows Thieves without even having a label. But that is her Thieves. And we have some little color-coded labels as well that we put on them too. now I'm going to show you about Immune Power, which is another, which I should have done this while she was doing hers, silly me. Let me see, can I come up to the camera so you guys can see it? I'm going to do 15 drops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I'll stop. Like I said, I prefer jojoba oil, and this jojoba oil that I'm using already comes with the dispenser, so I don't have to use the funnel like Ty did. So I just fill it up. And as you can see how it's, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm trying to let you see it. Now, I like mine filled up to the top. Well, as close to the top as I can get it. I don't know. I guess it's something about having you get your money's worth. But anyway, that's how I do mine. And I'm going to carry this in my bag. And it's nothing, because when I'm out and about and I hear somebody going, achoo, I'm on high alert. I'm telling you the truth. So I start boosting my immune system right off the bat. Let me hear somebody sneeze or start coughing. I'm like, uh-oh. Because don't you know that I think a sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. And I think another video, I think Shonda did a video on it where I think she said it can spread a mile or so within a room. So just imagine if you're sitting in an enclosed room and one person sneezes in that enclosed room. Well, they just sharing the love with y'all all over, right? Because Tina gonna be making sure she have her stuff to boost her immune system right then and there. So I carry this bad boy in my purse. So as soon as they start chewing, I start rubbing down. So that's what I do. So this is mine that I'm going to keep in my bag. My son has one that he keeps in his briefcase. And next, we have different oils that we use for to help support our breathing as well. A lot of people talk about this trio combo, which is lavender, lemon, and peppermint, which is amazing to help with opening up the nasal passages. Raven is also one of my favorites as well. But Young Living also sell roller bottles that's all the essential oil and the carrier oils already infused inside of the product. And you just you don't have to do anything. But if you want to save some money, you can do the same thing yourself. Just buy the roller bottles and just put your couple drops in your carry-on in, and you can make multiple bottles of it. That's what I'm doing. I buy both because I like to have Young Living too. But they do so many freebies when I get my Essential Rewards that sometimes I get this for absolutely free with my order. So that's why I have a little bit more of this. But we are right now prepping for the upcoming yucky season. So we will be making all our immunity boosters, everything to help to support breathing naturally. We are going to be using things to help balance our emotions. These are some of the things that we use to help balance emotions. Peace and Common, Reconnect, and Valor. And we will be using things to ease our or soothe our muscles. Helichrysum, Palo Santos, Panaway, and also I mix Palo Santos and frankincense, which it soothes the muscles so good and so relaxing. So we're gonna be doing this for science and health today, because you're learning about your bodies and your body chemistry, and what better way to teach a child about health and science and the chemistry of their bodies than to let them have hands-on activities so they can be their own healthcare advocate. So right now I'm trying to teach my children so that they will know, even when mama's not there, what they can do. Right?
Yep.
Well, at any rate, you guys, thank you for watching. And those of you who are on the replay, please put #replay. And very soon, I am going to be giving away some of these amazing roller bottles that my daughter and I are making in the giveaway. So keep your eyes peeled on that. And I'll let you know what you have to do in another video to qualify for that amazing giveaway. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Tajay, thank you for being an excellent little host.
No problem.
All right, now she got to get to doing that math. So, I know. You need some emotional support for that, baby. I know. But anyway, we getting ready to go. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Talk to you later. Oh, my mama too. Tell them bye, Mom.
Bye, you guys.
Okay.